Right, so I'm looking at this and that. They don't match up because this came assembled like this. Thinking that this is on backwards, but maybe it's not. Maybe it's because this is flipped around. So I'm just going to rotate this again. I'll have another look at this. So yeah, it seems to match up now. I don't know if that bolt goes in there, maybe. We'll continue with the assembly and see. So that's good. Next page. Getting wet in here. Right here. Rain. Right, so same kind of deal. So I'll take one of these nuts. So that's like that. So, so here there's a washer missing here. And there's a bar, this flat bar, whatever that is, it's not there. So that's the next thing to look for. So other than that, look for that bar. I'm guessing that's an end view of this. So there should be a nut on that to match up with that. Okay, so needed. Yeah, so there should be another nut here, and probably a washer, and a washer here, and a flat piece of metal to go there. This piece here. And then we're on to the new section, which is, I'm guessing, over here. These 3 bolts that came in the kit, they go in these 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. So we'll do that next after the rain lets up.